Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a video going over the characters for Miracle Tragedy. So as of right now, they're currently grouped in updates. So these guys will come out on release. This will be one update, this will be one update, and so forth. These guys, they're not going to come out in any particular order. It's just whatever I feel like doing. It's just that these guys are going to come out in the first update. So we start off with Woe Man. There's some goat creature, if you want to say that. Um, they they're fun. They basically have this ability where he'll wake up screaming "whoa," and then they'll just be in a different universe or timeline or dimension or just in the room next to him. You know, he also ends up in Russian prison a lot. Then we have Invisible Man, who he basically just turns invisible and that's it. But he has a nemesis, Anti-Invisible Man, who does the opposite. He just becomes more visible. Then we have Satan himself and his daughter, Satan Lena. By the way, I thought I should mention this back row is the killers. I forgot to mention that. So then we have Blebo, who people kind of view him as like a pest. A lot of people think he's a pest. There's very few people that he's friends with. And then we have Huag, who's basically like, I am the real Blebo. I am the superior Blebo. Right? Then we have Knife Guy, who's basically Invisible Man's superhero partner. Then we have God and God Lena, the Satan Lena, equivalent of God, I guess. Then we have Mothman and the Marvelous Ladybug. It should be obvious what this is based off of. the Miraculous Ladybug and the Luna Moth guy, whatever the fuck his name was. Then we have Bullman. He's a bull man, I guess. Then we have Carrot Man. He's sorry. He's just some fancy guy from another dimension. Then we have Tall Guy. They're a god, but they're really tall and that's all that's really about him. He's just a tall guy that makes and he's a god. And he also eats black holes. That's why my brother gave them this face. Salesman Man, he just yells at you to buy his shoe. Pizza Man, he's like a pizza guy, but he's extremely aggressive. He's like, give me my tip now or I'll blow up your house. It's me, Pizza Man. I delivered your pizza. You know, that kind of thing. Then we have Sink Guy. He just eats sinks. That's literally all he does. Candyman, he's a dude with a candy van. Use your imagination on that one. Money Man, he loves money, but he's broke because he keeps eating all of his money. News reporter guy, he's not finished yet. He's actually a character that me and my brother just added or wanted to add. Because basically, whenever someone will die, he'll be like, "Hey, these guys just killed them. Kill them now." That's all he does on the news. This is Soul Man. They're like a dragon thing, I guess. They just steal your soul and eat it. That's literally all they do. They, yeah. That's really all that they have, I guess. Next we have Liverman and Kidney Man. They're rivals. That's really it. Then we have Danger McPro and Langer McBro, where this is Danger McPro, my brother's character, and then mine is Langer McBro. For some reason, I just thought it would be funny if I made Langer McBro trans. Danger McPro is still cis, because that's my brother's character, so I can't really do anything about that. I just thought it would be funny, you know? Oh yeah, by the way, these two are dating. Next we have the Water Pharaoh, the Sand Pharaoh, and the Fire Pharaoh. We have Dragon, and Shark. Don't ask me where me and my brother got this from. It's just, I thought this was funny. And if you're wondering why there's all of these guys, it's not that they summon minions. It's that whenever you play as the character, you're going to be randomly picked as one of these guys. Same thing with the fancy guys, you know. Oh, sorry, I had some shit in my throat. So the fancy guys, they're rivals to these four who are a gaming group, I guess. So we have a stupid guy who just gets really lucky, a crocodile guy, he loves crocodiles, a hacker guy, he likes hacking. That's it. He always gets flushed down a toilet or turns into Minnie Mouse because he hacks and he gets punished for hacking. Then we have other guy. He's kind of just like he's just the other guy. You know, he's still part of the team, and they're all friends. It's just that the other guy doesn't really have anything. He's just the other guy. Oh boy. Next we have Reddit mod and Discord mod, and then Discord mods get Discord kittens. This was my brother's idea, not mine, by the way. Yeah, Reddit mod, Discord mod, and basically these are basically alternate forms of Reddit mod and Discord mod. It's just that's really it. They're just alternate forms of them. Next, we have these guys. We have Miley Lee, who's like a pop star, and then we have Hoo Hee Ha and Ha Hee Hoo, who are rivals to each other, but they're also singers. Now, if you're wondering why one of them's in a wheelchair and the other one has a cast on his head, so Hoo Hee Ha, his head like doesn't work. So whenever me and my brother were playing, it's always a guy, but his head just like flops around because, And then Ha Hee Hoo, take a guess. He's the opposite. Only his head works, so he's like lying around. But I thought it'd be funny to give him a wheelchair. Oh yeah, by the way, Miley Lee, she has like a huge crush on Blevo, but like that's not by her choice. She was literally made specifically to make Blevo's life hell because of how much Blevo hates her. Then we have Carl and the concept of time. So Carl keeps getting into time traveling shenanigans where he'll like destroy France, but then it's Ecarf instead of France in its place, and then the concept of time will put him in time prison. If you're wondering what this is the concept of time's pet. And he basically just tortures people. That's all it does, I guess. Then we have these guys, Rocco, Buffman, and Ostrigo. This guy just loves fire trucks. This is based off of the mayor from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. And this is just like a Blevo knockoff. That's literally the whole point of these guys. They started off as Blevo knockoffs. It's just that I thought it'd be funny to keep them that way. Yeah. Then we have the Snake and the Omega Snake. They're unfinished right now. Then we have Lucky the Loch Ness Monster, and then Fisherman McFisherman. Well, technically her full name is Lucky Lou the Loch Ness Monster, but, Is there anything that I haven't mentioned? Oh, yeah, so one thing that I want to mention, if you notice how I did like the skin colors, I did this because I really liked the way Fighting did it. I just thought it was cool. I also just really like the game Fighting, so I just thought it'd be fun if I did the same thing here, And by the way, this guy, this isn't like his skin, this is his fur. He's similar to like Mothman and Woman. Woman really, well, I know I just pointed at him saying this is like his skin color, but this is kind of like fur. So like this guy has fur. I decided it would be funny if Satan had fur. Mothman and Bullman, they have fur. These guys also have fur. Obviously that's fur. This is not fur. This is actually scales because it's a fish. Though it would be really funny if I gave her fur, but I don't really feel like it. Is there anything that I've mentioned that I forgot to mention? No, I think that's everything. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's everything.
Okay, hey guys, it's been a while since I've done another devlog. It's 10 in the morning and I've not gotten good sleep recently. So first things first, you may notice I don't know what I've done and what I haven't done on here, so just bear with me. You may notice a lot of characters are gone. That's because, and then there's like a bunch of change. I'm gonna explain everything. So first things first, I kind of removed all the characters that I wasn't gonna work in this update, and I moved them to like a separate game where like I'm just storing them for now. So these are the characters that are gonna be in like the release update. And you might also notice they have faces now. This is the first step in making them like fully original. Shut up. So soon they're gonna have fully custom models and everything. Yeah. So. Oh yeah. By the way, Satan himself has a spoon. I don't remember why I did that, but that's part of the joke. Knife guy's a knife. Carrot man is a giant fucking pitchfork. So, this is the, yeah, this basically, as I said, as I've said like 1,000 times inside jokes. So, a few things that I've changed, right. Okay, so, I kind of changed how the abilities work. So, let's just go like, which one do you there we go. So, we have abilities, and we have older. Oh, that's order. Oh my god, I am so tired. Jesus Christ. This is supposed to be a image button, by the way. I don't know why it's not showing up. It doesn't matter. So I changed it to where it's all going to be in the same folder. There we go. Okay. And the way I'm planning it is that... So we have the character, and then we'll have the skin. And then if it has like a custom animation or a custom like way it does it. So think of it as like slasher and then entity 1 slasher, where his Geishing wound is like a million stabs, you know? So there would be Geishing wound in abilities, and then there would be one in here, and then the way I haven't coded this yet. I'm actually going to code this while recording because I thought that'd be cool, and I think it'd be funny to listen to my misery. Where it gets the order first. So it goes, okay, what's first? Okay, this one. Is there one in here? No. Okay, then we'll get the one in here. And it's just gonna go like that. It's just like that for the killers too. Don't worry. Yeah. Oh, that's an interesting thing that I did. Okay. Yeah, the way I coded it is a little weird, but because of how it's supposed to be coded. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering why I'm doing it in like this whole order thing, it's because of hold on. Sorry, my mouth hurts. I accidentally brushed my teeth with shampoo. That's not a joke. It actually hurts. So this one, the ability thing, basically this was made in an earlier version where it wasn't going to be like outcome memories. It was going to be more like Die of Death, where they would all have like random abilities and it would just give them to them. I kind of scrapped that idea because I wasn't really happy with it, because I was doing one of those things where I felt like I kind of had to do that because I was really trying to avoid like, oh, I'm not going to make Sentinels and Survivalist and Support, and then I just realized I can just make everyone a Sentinel, except like a Sentinel Survivalist, a Sentinel Support, a Sentinel, you know? Like, think of it as if N7 could stun, if Elliot could stun, and then Guest, he had like more ways of stunning, I suppose. Think of it like that. Anyway. I'm gonna... Oh, sorry. Oh. Yeah. And... Oh my god. I have not been... Doesn't matter. Right. So I'm just going to start with the killers just so I could get this done. I don't have any skins yet. Once me and my brother, we make like the custom models and stuff, the thing is he's going to make the custom models for his own characters anyway, so I just have to make them for mine and then I can work on the skins and stuff. Yeah, okay. Sorry about that. I still in doubt. Okay, so this is whatever. Did I do anything in here? No. Okay. Add to character. Okay, so I know what this does. This is a function I made because, like, for so many of these, it was like, oh yeah, if this is in the player, then add it to the player. I just said, fuck it, I'm just gonna make it a full. I'm just gonna make it a function, which is like, yeah, if it's not in the player, then just put it in the player. This is used for like. Wait. What the? Shut up. This. I've literally. You know about this thing? I've literally tried to update my drivers like 14 times and it does nothing. Anyway. No. It's not if it's in the player. If it's inside of the child. Because it searches in the child because because you have your own animation player bullshit thing and like walk speed and sprint speed. Each character is going to have like their own special sprint speed, maybe. Actually, I could do that. I could just put it in like here. I could just put it in like I could instead of changing it instead of abilities, I could just change this to like stuff or something. I don't know. But yeah, it'll be like sprint. I'll just put like sprint speed and then walk speed in this, which should be fine, I think. All of the survivors, they're gonna have like the default player thing, but then the killers are gonna be like faster, I guess. I don't know. So what do I need? What do I need? Okay. Okay, I don't know what I did there. What is that? Hold on. I did something. I just don't know where this part goes. So what is this? Okay, that's what this is. Okay. I copied it, but then I was like, I'm just going to do this shit on recording. So, I'll just put this in like a fucking function down here. I don't know. Function morph player, I guess. Oh my god, shut up. Fine, I'll put you up here. That's, I click Control B. Okay, so. Fine. Player. This is just so this is just so it won't like get angry at me for not having them. I don't need this stuff right now. This is just me trying to like. So survivor type, chosen character, new character, survivor skin is playing then player GUI. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, I don't remember what I was thinking here anyway, so I'm just gonna delete all these notes that are probably actually very helpful. And I'm just gonna separate it by a bunch of like these. So wait. Didn't I? Oh, wait, I copied it, huh? Wait, did I not delete all of that shit? I didn't. I'm pretty dumb. Does this one at least have, like, character to new character? Destroy character. Okay, so this goes at inventory destroy. I don't really need to do that. Don't ask me why. So from here to here, I can just delete now. And then the whole ability thing. Okay, there we go. This I can kind of delete. Because I'm changing the way that completely works anyway. Okay, and then we'll go here. This is like the bulk of the fucking code anyway. I made it. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, a while ago. I already put it in there. Never mind. So, if you remember from like earlier, I had it where the camera script it like deletes. I just realized I can make the camera script delete itself. You know, that's probably inefficient, but
I don't care. There's a lot of things that I've learned to do where it's like I'll just put it in the thing, but then in the thing there's a script that just says, yeah, just delete me in like 5 seconds. So instead of like, so like it does it on its own, so this doesn't have to do anything. You know?
I don't know what I'm so tired, dude. Go back to sleep? No, I'm already awake. Okay. The reason why I have to keep this here is because there's a lot of... Hold on.
Alright, I'm back. This is for editor me. I've returned from my quest, I guess. Just putting my fucking thing on. Okay, anyway. So, this is moving all this stuff, so I don't need that right now. I could keep it. Okay, I know what... Because this is ones. Right, so this is all the folder stuff. I don't really need to destroy the inventory. No, don't explain the code. I made the code. No, okay, so all of this is one thing, and it works the way it does. I don't need to fix that. Because that just takes this stuff and puts it in you. Okay. So, let's add a few more variables. Get out of my way, microphone. A few more variables. So, local... I need to, wait. So we're gonna go with local... Actually, hold on. Local chosen character survivor skin. So then... Hold on. I think this... Player, and then this can go new character, and then this could be right. Because then that's the way how that one works. Right, okay. So then this one can go in here. Okay, so chosen character, we have that. Next, we gotta go... So chosen character, and then survivor skin. What if I went chosen skin? Do I even use survivor skin? Hold on. No, I don't even use that. Okay, so... Good. Chosen skin. So chosen skin, and then chosen character. So, chosen character, we have that. So then, local character folder equals game dot replicated storage, find first child, character type for killers, and in anti-invisible man's case, killers, find first child, and then chosen character, right? Yeah, okay. So then... So that would simply be... Hold on. Okay, so I just need I'll just put this in like a note. The main thing I want is I just want that to be like in a note. So here we go. Okay, let me just. Is it this one? Yeah. Okay. For and skins where skins is a folder. Okay, that's just for later. So character folder would be game, replicated storage, dot characters, okay. Dot characters, find first child, killers, then okay, so this is the entire folder. And then we'll get and then I can just do chosen. I can just like copy this, but with chosen skin, right? That's not what I asked. There we go. So then, chosen skin. And then, how did I do skins again? Well, here's the neat part. I think for this, I can actually just copy this whole thing instead of having to redo the whole thing. So I can actually just copy characters and then... paste into, and then we'll call this character skins, maybe? Hold on. Skins unlocked. So then for all of these guys, I'm just gonna like select their children and delete all of them. So how do I select all children? There we go. Okay, and then I can delete that. And then I'm gonna have to add a tag for every. Okay. I think I did this in a previous thing, but then I kind of deleted it, but who gives a shit, you know? I just need to make sure that it's organized, you know? Okay, I think that's all of them. So this is the skins unlocked. And then... so this is all the skins that you have unlocked. Okay. But this is not. And then for killer... okay, I know how to do this one. So this is the specific killer. And then here I can put skin selected. What if I put equipped? Because that's an easier way for me to remember it. Okay, and then for all of these guys, I can actually... oh, that's going to be even worse, huh? Okay. Alright. Select children. Then I'm going to rename it to skin, right? Okay. And then all of these guys, well, it's obvious what I have to do. There's probably an easier way to do it, but I do not give a shit. Carrot Man. So we have Anti-Invisible Man, Carrot Man. God. Don't ask where we got these names from, please. They just came up out of nowhere. If the name is too long, I'm just... Or if the name is like Huog's name, where it's awful to remember. Or I'm just going to be lazy. And instead of typing everything, I'm just going to copy and paste it. You know, I should... I'm already thinking about ways where I can, like, do this more efficiently instead of, like, doing it myself, because that's stupid. Where I can just, like, make one, and then it makes it for every single character. But no, that's not reality, I suppose. Especially because of how Roblox works. So that's lame. Because you can't, like, select one of them and be like, oh yeah, I want all these to... You know, it doesn't matter. Oh, hold on. Sorry, I had shit in my ear. Okay. So now, all these skins are equipped, right? Oh. Okay, give me 1 second to think. So... What? Sorry, I was just checking Discord and I found some weird fucking shit. Anyway, it wasn't weird, I just didn't understand it, so it's weird to me. Whatever. Okay, so we have character folder, which is here. Okay. And then we have... Oh, jeez. Okay. Chosen skin. Aha! So, here we go. So, character type. Player.character. Find first child. Here would be chosen character. No. Character dot... Oh, well. Find first child. And what would it be? It would be skins equipped. So then... Oh my god. Wait 1 second. Let me just yoink this. Skins equipped. Oh, right. What? What am I doing wrong? Okay, and then we have... Do I really have to keep them... I think I might just keep them separate just for organization's sake. So... Oh, wait, no, it's literally different anyways, so then... Oh, jeez, what happened? Why did it break? Okay. Character type... S. Yeah. I wish there was a way to, like, have it where I could repeat this specific code, but it doesn't... Where, like, I could only repeat this, but I don't think there is. Anyway. So this is a chosen skin, right? Chosen character. What if I made them all tags? Hold on. Why do I need to... I could just make them all tags, right?
So then... Oh, I forgot that I had all the other guys in here. Okay. Yeah, hold on, let me... Wait, no, yeah, Miley Lee comes later. Yeah, I forgot how many there were. Okay, that's not all of them, right? Was that actually all of them? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... Mothman. Mothman, Carrot Man, Hwag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 extra space. Okay, there we go. Okay. So now... Oh. What if I put them in here? Do you think that'd be like more efficient to put them in here? I guess, because I'm literally just going to do that same thing. I'm literally just going to copy this and put it here. So I don't see a point. So just to be efficient, I'm just going to... Which means I'm going to have to change how a lot of shit works, which I don't like. Thankfully, though, this is going to be easier once I start adding characters because I'm already going to have a system or how it works. So let me just write like a note so I remember properly, I guess, even though I'm never going to use the note because I can just watch the video. Okay, so load a character. Chosen skin, that would be... No, this would be in characters unlocked, and then killers, and then chosen survivor dot value. Okay, so then here, just a quick little note. So the skin, so there is not a specific skin with, oh my god, whatever, I can't be bothered. Folder or whatever, rather the skin is just in the value of the character.
Where's Mateo's car? It's getting its oil changed. Okay.
Wait,
Tommaso?
am I stupid?
Go get my keys out of Mom's car.
Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I did the wrong one. Oh no. Oh god. Okay, I know how to do this. Hold on. Skin's unlocked. Let me just copy this, and then I'll just... I meant to delete this one, and then I'll put this paste into. Yeah. So this is just the ones you have unlocked. That's what I meant to do. Right? Yeah. Because... Yeah. So skin's unlocked, and then this will have your specific skin. Okay, let me just make sure it has all of them. Okay. Of character in... Okay, so then... What do we got? Okay, so we have chosen character, and then chosen skin, and then character folder. So let's just put here, and then make it be like the replicated storage bullshit. Okay, and then local, then what? Okay, then local skin, right? We got an idea. So we'll put this to, no. What should I call it? Oh, fuck, I don't know what to call it. So here, local what, right? So if find what, and then search in. Okay, if not, search in find what. Okay. That should work a lot better for making me remember. So character skin is character folder dot find first child. Ah, wait a minute. Chosen skin. Okay. And then character ability is character folder dot abilities. Oh my gosh, shut up. Okay, so and then local sure ability order equals character ability dot order. Okay, so then fuck. Okay, so what was I thinking about? Oh, right, yeah. I forgot I was doing this. And I forgot I was recording. I went on my phone for a second. Okay, so. What do we have? Okay. So next. Shut up. No, shut up. So then player and then new character. Right? And where does new character come in? New character. Okay. So it wants me to make this is the new actual character. Okay. This I don't need. I can keep all of this. It's just this is just so I can put all this back in here. This is just so I can remember. So then. So if it's not in search in, so search is in here, finds what, it goes to the destination. Okay.
So let's see. If it searches in here, and then if it is not in here. Wait. Am I going insane? Hold on. If not, find in. Okay. Oh, okay. So if it's not. Hold on. So if it's not in the new thing, then don't put it in. Okay, this is going to be an interesting one. Okay, yeah. So if.
So the party tonight's a little bit on the earlier side.
Okay, I'd have to make it different. This would have to be like. So it'll search in here, and then if it. No. It gets this, and if it does not find it in here, then it takes the one in here. Right? Okay, so.
I just went to Trader Joe's and I forgot to get. I'm just trying to figure out how to cook those prime ribs.
Player.player GUI. Let me just yoink this really quick.
What are you doing today?
Yeah, because it comes with the player. Okay, so player.player GUI. Dot ability GUI, but I think this one's gonna have to be.
I really need some time allocated to putting all this stuff away.
Wait, is it supposed to be with a capital F or a lowercase f? I'm so confused.
So this is already.
Is it what? Wait, huh? Let me just put it up here so I can figure it out. Yeah, I do love it when it doesn't like give me the. Oh my god, I'm so confused. Okay, so it's supposed to be capital. Got it. Oh, okay. I see now. I don't see now. Whatever. So I think I can put this in here, right? Will it work? Okay, no, that's good. So it's lowercase if it's on a blue, and then it's upper. If it's lowercase. Wait, what? I don't know, actually. Because it seems to be different every single time. For whatever reason. Why is it different? It's so weird. I guess it's just whatever it feels like. So, find first child. Ability GUI, but then, hold on. So, local ability GUI equals that. Okay. So then, GUI. Okay, next, what happens?
Because I need to take a shower.
Ability GUI. So we have.
I can't take a cold shower.
No, I guess my mic picks up on that. Okay, we have the GUI. Right? Because this would go into player. Player GUI. Yeah, I think that's right. I hope that's right. Right? Let me just find the inventory. Yeah. Okay, so then. So I need to find one of those like, oh, for this and that, blah blah blah. I don't know. I don't remember how to do that by heart, and it's. I don't remember. Oh right, I wanted to do this, but I really could not figure it out. I'll do this later. Right now, it's just an empty script. Okay. I know it's somewhere. It's here. Round script. I don't know why it's doing that. It's completely fine. For I equals blah blah blah. Okay, wrong one. Okay, so for I equals now. Okay, how do I get the child number? That is like get child, find child number, right? For I equals. Character ability
Someone else be called to fix it?
order
'Cause it's a big.
dot.
I don't wanna have.
Let's just put one for right now. I don't. This cannot. This does not need to be here. I don't know why the auto thing does not like to help. It doesn't work. Why is it not doing that? Why is it being stupid? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so fucking stupid. Get the number. Wait. Hold on. I got another idea. Local. Are you fucking kidding me? Local child equals blah blah blah. Oh my god. How do I get the children? It's not letting me do the auto thing. Does it just not work or something? Get service, find first child. How do I just get all the children? Oh wait, I know. I have that in here and teleport to spawn. Get children. Okay, so get children. Order. Hold on. Character ability order. No, and then get children. Can I do it this way? Oh wait, this is not even what I wanted. This is something else. Oops. Hold on. It was this one. For child in pairs. That's what it was. Wrong one again. I keep forgetting this is in the same function. Wait. I think this just goes through the children anyway, right? Character ability order, get children, right? So for child, then this would have to be. So child would have to be like. I don't know.
On the bottom. Okay, what did he tell you?
So what would this be? So then. So for the order, right? Character ability order. So then each child, so child dot. Wait, no. Wait, I know what to do. Local index equals 1. So
Okay,
then.
we have to pack up. We have to go to the country club to shower. You need to shower. Don't even give me shit like you showered last night. We have a party later tonight.
We do?
Yep, and you also need to get your hair cut in the tail.
Okay.
What's the party?
Oh my god. I didn't even say a fucking word. It was like, no, don't say anything.
What time is it? What time's the party gonna be at?
So we gotta go get.
Wait.
Hey, Mateo, get up and out of your blanket.
Okay.
Go take a shower down the street.
Alright. Wait, no. I know, wait, no, this should be that one. No, I was doing it right. Hold on.
No.
So it was this one. How do I make it
Can
count?
you stop talking to yourself?
Huh?
Yeah, you.
Oh. I was
So
talking to myself
angry, oh
about
my
whether
God.
I should take the shower in here or not.
I wouldn't.
I was just doing it to see how hot it was. Or how cold it was.
How is it different every single time? Find first child. Find first child I. Dot. So then, wait, no. I dot value. Clone dot parent equals ability GUI. Sure. Alright, and let me just killer chosen ant. Let's just hope that it works, I suppose, even though it's not going to. Yeah. I figured. Okay, so right here. I dot value. Oh, wait. So, find first child I. Wait, no, I would be a number, right? I dot value? Would that be it? I think that'd be it, right? Nope. I dot value. Hold on. So I clone of a string. Hold on. Well, there's that. Wait, what? Is that the way to go? Maybe? Oh shit, please tell me it saves.
Come on, everybody, get your stuff back. Mia,
Okay.
you can't wear that outfit.
Punch clone. Okay, good, good, good. Okay. So then... player ability. Find first child. Ability GUI. That might work, right? Okay, good. That's good. I remember why I wanted to do it backwards, though. I remember why I wanted it backwards, so let me just make it backwards again. And I know why it was breaking, because it was 0. This is supposed to be 1, and then this is supposed to be -1. Yep. Right. Yeah, shut up. Okay, well, I got that part to work. I'll fix the clone part later, but this works. Yeah.
Mom?
Okay. Player ability GUI. Okay. Oh. Alright, then now the only thing I have to do is, for when I come back, hit where in the skin folder ability found in there. Oh shit. Are you kidding me? Control S. Wait. There we go. Control S. I can't even be bothered to check if it's lagging at this point. Whatever. Okay, what did I do? Right, this. So, I'm working on a few things. I did not make these effects, by the way. They're just placeholders until I make my own assets. You know the drill. The only things that are like fully custom made as of right now are the faces. Yeah. What was I doing? Right, so I did a few things. So I did get this whole thing to work, I think. So hold on, let me just. This is just a test. Let's just make him red. This is just a test. Actually, hold on. What if I made everything really red? Okay, and then what is it? And then let's take 2 of them and then put it in here, and then let's just make them red. So how do I get the image? Oh, right, yeah. So clone, is there a way to make it like more red? Ah, red and red. Okay, and then if I go, I just want to make sure that I put this in correctly. Wait. Didn't I could have sworn I I could have sworn I made a thing where it's the skin. Hold on. I'm just gonna double check something. Oh jeez, I might have forgotten to do the whole skin part. Where is it? Here it is. Alright, skin, character folder. That's right, I put it in here. That's right, okay. So then if I go here, it's more confusing that way, but I don't care. I think that should work. Uh-oh, it's oh, okay, so it does work. Okay, good. And then I got the clone to work. I changed the way the clone works. It looks a little, yeah, the clone fully works too. Also, by the way, I made it so that it only works if you're a survivor. Anyway, hold on, let me just double, proofread this. Let me just make sure I got the clone right. I'm pretty sure the way I have the clone... Hold on, my lizard wants to come out. Okay, fine, come here. Come here. Oh, jeez, you're wet. Hold on, let me get a towel. There we go. Yes, I can see you. Hold on. God, I just need to dry you off really quick. There we go. Was that so hard? Ow, that's my wrist. Please stop. Okay. Anyway, here, killers, anti-invisible man, red anti-invisible man. Then if I take the clone model, and then I make it blue, let's make it all blue. Also, by the way, if you want me to leave these stupid, the stupid testing skins in as the stupidest shit ever as developer skins or something, I can. Let me just make sure that I need to make sure that I know what I'm doing, so I know what I need to fix in the code. Okay, so I know what I need to fix. Jeez, what? You know, whatever, you can run around my room. There you go. Okay, right. So the way I have it coded, I know why I have it coded that way. Okay, so the way it's coded is that this ability, hold on, I'm loading. So the way it's coded is that if it's not, so you have the clone model, and then the special abilities. Think of this as subject 1 or subject, the fucking milk guy, the white guy with the mask. Think of it as his gashing wound, literally the entirety of the blue eyeball 1X. Any sort of custom animation, basically, that's what it is, or custom way it works is put in here, and then it goes to here in the order. So it's because of the way it's coded, it puts them in this way. So So it starts at 4, so it goes 4, 3, 2, 1. And then it checks, is there one in here? No, take the default one. Is there one in here? No, take the default one. So the way the default one works, it just takes the normal clone, which I really feel like I should just put this here in abilities instead of, yeah, this should be just here in the default one instead of in here. So let me actually fix that. Where is it? So killers. Huh. Never mind. No, the clone for the default one should just be anti-invisible man, abilities. Uh-oh, something broke. Why are you doing this? There, oh my god. Abilities, find first child, clone model. What? Stop. Okay, that's the default one, right? And then let me just change the red one in the clone. So this is clone ability. Let's just call this red, just so I can remember. And then anti-invisible man. This is probably a much more efficient way to do this, but I could not care less. Oh my god. Okay, so that's supposed to be like that. So killers in anti-invisible man. Oh wait, no. Wait, no, keep going that way. I meant this way. Control Z on this one. So there. And then, right? If I coded this correctly, it should do it this way. Right? That means it broke. Fuck. Well, I mean, at least he's red. Oh, shit. You know what, let me at least check that it works on this one. Anti-invisible man abilities clone model. Let me just make sure that this one works, just so I can make sure I didn't, like, ruin everything, actually. Oh, my lizard has just decided to not do anything. I guess I'll give it time to load so it doesn't, like, lag. Stop saying it's overloaded. Oh my god. Alright, I'm sorry I had to do something. Well, it still lags immensely. Oh god, the whole thing fell apart. Oh, fuck. Clone. Hold on, let me just delete this whole thing just so I can figure out what the fuck I'm doing. Anti-invisible man. Abilities. And clone model. I don't know why it's not working. Don't eat that, that's paper. Yeah? What happened? He just looked at me really fast. Oh, okay. What? It works now. What? Fuck. I don't know what my lizard's doing. Oh shit, I did something wrong. Clone. I'm gonna close all this stuff because I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, Wait, no, don't go down there. Nope. You're not allowed to go down there. Stop that. I'm trying to go underneath, like, my bookshelf. Stop. Okay, skin name. Character fine for... Oh! Oh my god, I see what I did wrong. Okay. Fuck. I didn't change anything, right? So technically, if I were to just, like, reopen it, would it be fine? I hope that shit didn't save. Oh my god. I forgot why I did that. I should have called it clone name. Why did I call it skin name? Oh my god, don't do that. Give me a second. Shut up, please. Yes, I know. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, good. No. I have a feeling that's going to create like a paradox if I save it. Shut up, mate. Okay, let me just make sure that it fucking works. Let me make sure I didn't ruin everything. Okay, good. Can these guys get, like, burning damage? No, they can't? Okay. Well, this guy's dead. Give it a second. Yeah, they're still gonna harass him, but I'll iron that out later. Okay, so now that I have not seen my code in like a week and a half, so I can't remember what I did. Okay. Oh my god. Let me just change that skin name. Let me change that shit to fucking clone name. There. Oh my god. Okay, so this is how it works. So, the way I would do this instead, so clone name, anti-invisible man, that means it takes this one's clone. Okay. So the way that's supposed to work, it's, think of it as if you have a Skin and Forsaken and they use Blue Dude's clones. It's that Blue Dude would have his special Blue Dude clones, but then the other skin would like go to the Blue Dude file to get those clones. Okay. So then in here I would copy this and then put red anti-invisible man, and then we'll make these dark red because they're evil. The clones don't have to look like him, by the way, because the original plan was that the original plan was that he was going to like what was I saying? Oh, right. So the original plan was that he was going to like be able to hop between all the clones, but then I said, nah, that's fucking lame. Did I put it in the... Please stay out of my closet, Atlas. I don't know why I talk to my lizard like it understands English. Okay, and then the clone, you know what? Let's make it blue. I don't care anymore. No, let's make it this blue. Really, yeah, let's make it really blue. And let's make this like electric blue. Okay, so I think this should work now, right? So characters unlocked. Yeah, so also over here, what? Doesn't matter. I'll iron out the way I'm gonna have. Okay, so anyway, as I was saying, the reason why it's all in characters unlocked, it's because if I were to have skin selected, it would literally just be this but duplicated. So I just figured I'm gonna kill two birds with one stone by just keeping it as one thing. Is that like the safest way? Absolutely not. I'm an idiot. You can see that I didn't remember. Okay, so we have a red guy over here. Yep, there we go. Okay. So he still uses the same one. This is the same one. So, but, you know. Colors, yay! Let's have all the blue guys. Hold on, I've got an idea. Hold on. Okay, so local clone model equals, and then we'll just do this. Okay, I know what to do here. This is in... Okay, well, he wants to go back into his cage now. Alright, here you go. Okay, what was I saying? Okay, instead of load character, where is it? This is the abilities... The new character, this one, okay. So, the way this would work, if... Hold on, I'm loading. Hold on. So... I know what this is supposed to do. This is supposed to be, oh, if it's a folder, choose a random one from the folder. So let me just try to remember how my own code works, you know? So this one will have to be clone. Clone model. Okay, so okay, I know how to execute this. Okay, so you know, has anybody else noticed that clone is spelled really weird? Like, clone is spelled weird. I don't know why. Okay, so if clone model is a folder, then that should work, right? No, I'm not doing that. Shut up. So clone. If this is a folder, okay, I think that should work. So let me just... Okay, I have a feeling I'm supposed to not have this part, but we'll see. Uh-oh, I don't know what I did. I don't know. Okay, in here. And then we'll make this one green. Lime green. Oh my god, guys, it's rainbow anti-invisible man. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, guys. I can't believe it. It's Let's make this one all of, like, the most obnoxious colors, because I fucking can. Okay, let me just, like, check if this works, you know? Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so I think I have to remove find first child.
right? I don't know what button I pressed, but I guess I accidentally muted myself, so that's awesome. I was probably talking for 10 minutes, confused. I'm wondering what. So basically, what's going on is that it's going, oh, you can't have that because this. Hold on, I have a small idea. No, wait. Oh, fuck. Find first child of class folder. This is only going to be an anti-invisible man problem. This is so stupid. You actually have no... This is so stupid. It's literally only going to affect anti-invisible man. Okay, oh, fuck. Okay, I know how to do this. Okay, character skin. Find first child. Model. Is a folder? I think that should work. So if here, if model is a folder, then do the folder. No. Wait, no, yeah. So if model is a folder. Because yeah. Okay, I think that should work. It's probably better if I iron this out, even though it's literally only going to be a problem with the anti-invisible man. Actually, no, I might have other characters summon minions, so... Okay, good. I fixed it. Yes!
Check it out, and this works too. Yes. I don't know how to. If anybody can tell me how to like remove that, that'd be awesome. But yeah, check out my armada of rainbow clones. Guys, how funny would it be if I did the entire spectrum? Okay, but that's very happy that that one is ironed out. So that's good. So hypothetically, this means that if I were to get a folder and call it model, I could also make this one randomized. Right? Body color. Let's make them just a different shade of red. Let's make them crimson, bro. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Oh, interesting. I actually hadn't realized that this would be a thing. Oh. That's... That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay. Wow. That's an interesting development. Alright. Oh, fuck, I messed it up. It's good. It's better that I get this out of the way now. New character. Oh, I know. Okay. It's the same. I don't know why I thought it would that. So then it would have to be this. So hold on. Local skin folder equals that. So then that'd make it this. And then okay. I'm not gonna. This is. I'm very glad that I caught this now, rather than like when the game is done and after everything is like set, and it would ruin literally everything. Okay. Yeah. So this works, and then we have all the different colors. Okay. Yeah, they're gonna kill him now. Is it? Yep. Okay. Good. It is random. Let me just. Yeah. Okay, so we're light red now. So then the next one should be dark. I'm hoping it's dark red next time. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Okay. Good. That's very, very good. I am actually so happy I caught this now. You do not understand it. Permission? Why is permission a color? Anyway. And then clone model, let's just make more of these guys. Let's make like teal. Okay. This is gonna be a, you know, I'm gonna keep this as a skin in game. I'm not even kidding. So here's the thing, because I have them in folders, I don't have to name them like Red Anti-Invisible Man. I can just call it Red. The only reason why I am doing that is just so I can like see what everything is better. Is this one? Did I already get teal? And then this one is also teal. Okay, let's do yellow next. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's the Anti-Invisible Man rainbow skin. Also, it's probably better if I write them all at the end. Yeah, write the names at the end instead. So then I'll just do this really quick. No, wait. Oh my god. Let me select it. Rainbow. New Yeller. Fun name, I suppose. Deep orange. Next, let's make regular orange. Where's normal orange? Neon orange? Orange is a neon color, idiot. Is there like a normal orange? No. Oh my god, you're so lame. Orange is so a neon color. Wait. Hold on, I got a better idea. It'll be... Hold on. 255. Okay. So 0. Okay, if I make this like 200. Okay. 175. Okay, I think that's the best I'm gonna get. And then CGA brown. I feel like I'm missing a color. We have red, purple, green, blue, orange, yellow. I think that's just the quote. That's the main, I guess, colors. I don't fucking know. If we're not counting like monochrome colors. Uh-oh. What are you talking about? Huh. I swear to God, I won't change any. I probably accidentally changed something. Ah, I know what I changed. It's this. It was clone name and clone name. Anti-invisible man. Rainbow. What the? Oh, I accidentally minimized this. There we go. Yes, I can see encoding overloaded. I'm trying to fix that shit, dude. I'm gonna draw after this. I'm almost done with that. Okay, here we go. Now it should work. Yeah, I typed in the name wrong, I bet. Oh, fuck. Where is it? This one. Did I type in the name wrong? Oh, I'm stupid. I put it in skin name, not clone name. Alright, I'm gonna get up after I test this, because I know it works, I just want to test it. It's been 40 minutes, and I've done basically nothing. How did it break now? Maybe if I just let the game fully load. I don't know, dog.
And well, the only question is it's like if I get more on the safe side tonight, I can go with it.
Okay, let's just.
You know, and you got me that.
Yeah, okay, I just needed to let the game load. Yellow, blue, blue, yellow, another blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Hello? I know there's a... There we go. Okay, there's the pink one. Where's orange? Oh, there's green. I forgot I had green. Oh, wow. Orange does not look that different from yellow. But yeah, look at this. Army of a rainbow. I'm gonna have a limit where you can only have 15 clones, but don't worry. Where are you guys going? Guys, where are you? I guess I'll follow you. Push me, clones. Push me, slaves. The rainbow is in my debt. They are going to push me. Wait! Uh-oh. Wait, why are they flying away?
Focus on it.
What the? Doesn't matter. Guys, where are you going? Stop. Did like a tiny fraction of him fall off? Where are you going? Guys. Hello? Hello? Well, I guess they're going this way now. It's the mass rainbow anti-invisible man migration. It's such a wonder to see. I don't know why they're climbing over each other. And there they go. And there they all go. Well, they're still there. I think. No, they're dead. I don't know why they're still here, though. Real raggy. Anyway, yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, I did iron out that bugs. There's some productiveness that happened. But yeah, don't worry, the other stuff where it's like, oh, what if there's the ability inside of here? Don't worry, that part works perfectly fine. It. Ooh, excuse me. Wait a minute. I could have sworn I. Didn't I do it at? I just want to try something really quick. I'm gonna delete these. And then I'll put this in here. I think this will work. Probably not going to work, but you know, just for like safety, I'm gonna try anyway. Okay, yeah, it does not work the way I thought it did. That's a big whatever for me, but I was only my brain was only expecting me to have one skin anyway. Okay, load character. Yeah, okay, that's a whatever thing from me. So, inabilities. Right, if the tag is not in the character already, because... No, that's it. You know, I don't care. This one's red. This one is crimson, and then this one is permission. I seem to be only getting... It doesn't matter. I don't care. Alright, well, that's good. I'm gonna fucking draw. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working on really quick. Hold on. Oh my god, give me a minute. Oh, jeez. Oh. Thank god I have that other screen. This would have been lost forever. Okay, hold on. Give it a minute. You're gonna see this before this video comes out. You're gonna see the finished thing before this video comes out anyway, but I still want to show you guys anyway. Things that I gotta iron out. I'm mostly just working on. Here, I just gotta do this part really quick. And then I'm good, I suppose. Fucking no, dude. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so why are you naked? What? I don't know why this happens. I'm really split. So, I've kind of made a decision. I don't really want these guys... I kind of want them all to be Robloxian 1.0. And I was thinking about it for a while. I was thinking about, oh, people are gonna be angry that it's all... Anyway, people are gonna be angry that it's all Robloxian 1.0 because it's so overused and everyone's tired of it. Then I just, I don't know, something just made me go, I don't really care, I'm not gonna lie. I understand that, again, people are getting pretty tired of the, oh, something's not right here. Oh, wait, no, I did do that one right. I understand that there's people who are pretty, like, let's see. Oh, yeah, well, anyway. I know that there's people who probably aren't happy with the fact that I'm just going full Robloxian 1.0 on everything, but I'm really not gonna lie, I would much prefer Robloxian 1.0. Is there like a special reason? No, not really. That's just my preference, I suppose. I think it has to do with my favorite game being Minecraft, but I don't know. I just like the way it looks more. And I suppose there's also the added benefit of modeling a clothes around this is much easier than like every other mesh. So, I don't know. Like, I toyed around with it and I didn't really like it, especially because I basically added them on, I added the other body types onto it because I felt like I had to. That's really what it was. I just felt like I had to add it because people were tired of the overusage of the blocky avatar. So, you know, if I sound sad right now, it's because I am. I have some stuff going on in my personal life, you know. But yeah, I really prefer the blocky one. I wasn't super satisfied with the non-blocky one. I understand that some people are so tired of some people are super tired of the blocky avatars because it's so overused, but yeah, you know, I think I repeated the same thing at least 3 times. I don't know.